Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Mal, and in this video what we're gonna see is how we can delete the post configuration file that we have in the PLC. So let's go to the application. So in this particular case, I'm connected with the Modicon M241. So if I disconnect, I'll connect again. In this particular case, I have already a post configuration file. Okay, so if you go to details, we should be able to see which are the parameters that are stored in the PLC that we are not allowed to change, okay, even if we download a new application. So in the particular case, I have the only Eternal 1. Let's see here. Eternal 1, I have already configured this, and it's the same. Even if I use another application, it will not delete that. So the okay, let's just open this again. So in order to completely delete the file of the Mach.x of the post configuration, it's just using FTP if you want, or inside the Machine Expert, go to this path, refresh, go to CFG and select this one, machine.cfg, and just delete it, which is the post configuration file. If you don't want to do all this, we also have this option, online, build, then post configuration. If we don't have anything, we just generate. But in my case, I already have one, so I can go to edit. And here we can change the IP address, okay, all the parameters that we have, in order to have it and save it in case we need a different IP address, okay? Or we just select all this, delete it, and then save to the target. And here in the bottom we have the possibility to reset device after sending, okay? So in order to avoid and forget that we need to power cycle it, we just have this and then save on target. In my case, I will not do this, so I'm going to discard this, okay? But this is how you can change the post configuration file. And if you want a new one, you just post generate and you can select destination. So training, this one, okay? Post configuration files is generated. So if we open just bear with me. Okay, so I found it here. It generates this machine CFG. As you can see, in this particular case, I'm Modicon M251, and I have all the details that I have in order to modify. So I can easily copy and then paste it on the edit part that we have, build, post configuration, edit, and paste it over here and then save on target. Okay, so this is how we can change configuration of the post configuration file, and also how we can delete some of those that we have on the post configuration file. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.